Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new rechargeable headlamp. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it looks like. Alright, so you get the headlamp itself. Very, very nice. 6 hard hat clips. The Type-C cable. And then the 3 rechargeable batteries. So we'll go ahead and put the batteries in. Seal that up, and then it is good to go. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can see here, and then it shows the battery level right on here. Here's where you will charge it, through that Type-C port. And the other cool part is you can actually plug something into this USB port. And you can charge your phone, tablet, whatever that you need right off of here. So in case of emergency, you can use your headlamp to go ahead and charge your device. So I thought that was an extra neat feature for it. It is waterproof as well, so you don't have to worry about once you're outdoors hiking or anything like that. What's cool about the batteries, it can work for 10 to 12 hours on the highest setting mode. It can work up to 60 hours on the lowest mode. So 60 hours is really, really good considering how bright this actually gets. But if you do need it on the max mode, that 10 to 12 hour range is still really, really good. All right, so we're outside and it is pretty dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this light. We'll turn on this one and we'll just kind of get a quick idea of how the actual light looks and how much area it actually covers. So we'll go ahead and turn it off. Okay, and here I'm gonna go through the 5 different modes that it has. So it has the high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. And then I'll also go through the different zooms on there. Keep in mind that you can also adjust a 120-degree angle while wearing it. I also wanted to mention that the headband that it comes with was actually quite comfortable. I also wanted to mention that the battery cover can also be used as a warning light or just as an additional light. It does have 2 options, which is the red, just a solid red, and then a red strobe as well. So if you're looking for a new headlamp for any of your outdoor activities, or you're just going for walks, whether it's like later on in the evening, you just want something that's going to light up the path for you, or for even for work, you just kind of need some light in that area, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link down below. Definitely a 10 out of 10.